Rich Steeves on the floor at ITEXPO Miami 2013. I'm here with Mike Coffey, CEO of Commetrex. Mike, welcome to the show.
Rich, thank you very much. Good to be here.
Tell us something about your company.
Well, for the last 20 years, we have been licensing media and protocol technologies to equipment vendors. But the last several years, we have wrapped those technologies in an all-software telecommunications framework that we call Bladeware. It's our flagship product. And now several enterprise fax OEMs are using it as their platform for their product. We also have hosted fax, I guess we want to say cloud-based faxes today using Bladeware. We also have deployment-ready applications that run on Bladeware for fax to email, email to fax, and for the media resource function for fax in IMS networks. Kind of geeky, but that's what it does. But we're here today to show folks Smart ATA. This is the product of our sister company, NetGen Communications. We're promoting it because we have the booth, and it includes our Smart FoIP, which is patent pending technology that solves two very big problems in FoIP. You know, it's no secret that FoIP has its problems. And the industry is, and we think that we're leaders in this effort, the industry is working to sort them out. Well, we've done a lot of testing, and we found that there are two very common problems that cause 5 to 10% of the errors that people see. They're listed on this sign right here. They're called the late T38 reinvite problem and the G711 FoIP clock sync problem. Smart FoIP makes those problems vanish. Now remember, I said 5 to 10%, and that's huge. And it is a way to lower your trouble ticket costs, increase customer satisfaction, and even increase revenue because you don't have to tell your customers, keep your POTS lines for fax. Instead, take that money and give it to me, your service provider, to use in a SIP trunk. So we're very pleased to have this product between us, and that it's making people stop crying when they come into our booth, because every service provider, without exception, has these problems. There's one other thing that makes Smart ATA unique, and that is that it is the only ATA to have support for V.34, which is a fax modem that runs twice as fast as any other. And we have recently completed development of Smart ACS, an auto configuration server that allows the service provider to service and support hundreds or thousands of these units in the field and do so cost effectively. Our other product that we're demonstrating, when you walked up, I was giving a demo of FaxTap for SIP. FaxTap for SIP is, where is it? Right here. FaxTap for SIP picks up where Wireshark leaves off. Now, Wireshark is the preeminent, and it's also free, industry tool for analyzing SIP calls. But it can be challenged for FoIP. It often gets it wrong, calls this packet one thing when it's really another thing. It doesn't do very much analysis of the T30 protocol, which is the main fax protocol, and it doesn't render the image. Well, FaxTap for SIP does all those things. We've been shipping some lower function products for 5 or 6 years. Our customers said, we want you to combine them all into one product. We've done that. We want you to allow us to use Wireshark capture files, which is a format, as an input. We want better T30 analysis, and we want V34 support, all of which we've done. So we're demoing that, and we think that this product is going to play a major role in making FoIP work in carrier networks.
Mike, thank you so much for your time.
My pleasure.